In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Microsoft Teams chat. So at first, just simply go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams software or just go to your browser and go to microsoftteam.com. Then just make sure you're logged in. Then just make sure you go to your chats, and after that, on the left hand side, you'll find all of your chat. Just go to the one that you want to delete. For example, this one I want to delete. So I'll just hover over on this one, and then I'll find this option called More Chat Options. I'll click on that. And from here, I'll get many options such as mark as unread, favorite, mute, hide, block, and delete. Now let's say I want to delete this chat. To delete this chat, I simply have to click on delete. And it's gonna give me a confirmation. Delete this chat. This will only delete the chat for you. That means for Asan or the other guy, it's not gonna delete the chat. So if you're sure, just click on delete chat. Then just give it some time, and there you go. The chat has been deleted and removed from your chat histories. And that is it. And basically, that is how to delete a Microsoft Teams chat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.